Hey everybody, this is the Trifield Meter versus a microwave and 5G towers on top of Boise's Table Rock. These fields are in the non-ionizing range, ionizing being X-rays and CAT scans you might be aware of. I'm going to start off with the electrical field, which is just about current and voltage. See, it's pretty small. And this is what a Trifield meter does if you ever want to pick up one. And these are the upper limits in both the magnetic, electric, and RF ranges. Keep these in mind as we test. Here's the magnetic field. And you'll see it's off the charts. That's directly in front. Microwaves are shielded, but only on 3 sides. They recommend to be 6 meters away while using it, or to the side. And here's the RF. Further away you are, the less you'll be in the field. I'm going to head up to Table Rock. And they have numerous 5G towers as well as radio towers up here. You might notice the sky. Those are chemtrails, geoengineering, or cloud seeding. And that's a normal practice up here to increase the precipitation and the snowfall. So as we're approaching, you'll notice the values are far greater than 0.2. And as we approach it, stay safe out there, everybody.